Another magnificent day in Geelong. Another magnificent 565 coming out of the Edencraft factory, guys. This one's actually going to Queensland. Tim, he's put it together as a hardcore offshore boat, dive boat, all that sort of stuff. You can basically do whatever you like in this one. You can see it's with a wavebreaker. This one's our second one off the lot with a wavebreaker and a full grab rail. Gives it that tough, makes it look, you know, like a tough offshore boat, tough dive boat, whatever you want it to be. Tim's opted to do most of the electrics and the fit out over his end, being in Queensland. We get that a little bit, and that's the option we give our customers, that, you know, your electronics, mate, plug and play. So you've got your switch panels, you've got your bus bars, circuit breakers, everything's installed. You've got your VSR switches for your batteries, so twin batteries, of course, everything's there. Plug and play your own electronics and you're off. There's a swing away extendable drawbar on this one. You'll see it on the pics. We've got a 225 Merc, which is fast becoming the go-to engine. The 225 and the 200, I've got to admit, not a lot of difference between the two, but the 225 gives you a little bit more revs, a little bit more top end. Yeah, I just want to say thank you very much, Tim. You've been a pleasure to deal with. You knew what you wanted. We've delivered on the promise that we make. You know, every boat's different. It's catered for each individual, and I'm sure you've got the boat that you've always wanted. Enjoy it, and yeah, happy days from here on.